Don't hurt yourself. Come on, use that core. That core strength.
I got that core. Right, ready?
I was born ready, sugar tips.
What's up, I'm Pops.
What's up, I'm Hannah.
And today we're going to do a video on how to make friends at camp.
Well, hey.
To be fair, it's pretty easy to make friends at camp, though.
It is, because everyone's in the same situation as you, so it's literally like orientation week. No one knows each other. You're shoved into groups and you're doing group activities, so everyone just starts talking naturally. So honestly, it's not.
Don't be too scared.
It's not as bad as it comes across. Honestly, like you just go out and secure some things, innit? You know what I mean?
Number one, say hi to everyone. I remember there was this girl that I'm really friends with now, Ali, shout out. She used to say hello to everyone, like when I didn't know who she was. She'd just walk past and be like, hi Pops, and she'd always say your name. So you thought like,
crazy.
She liked you.
How did she know your name? Have you ever asked her this?
I think she just remembered everyone's name. If you can remember their names, use their names and say hi to absolutely everyone, because then they'll be like, oh, that's that really friendly person. And then people go and talk to you, don't they? If they're friendly. Yeah.
That's like, just be approachable, be friendly. Like you said, say hi to everyone, because people like that might feel awkward or uncomfortable. If you say hi to them, they'll feel like, oh, it's like
I can go and talk to that person.
They'll feel comfortable being able to come up to you and talk to you. So that's like one way of, I guess, breaking the tension,
getting people to come to you
and securing a thing in it.
Make eye contact and body contact. Body contact. Don't make body contact. That's weird. Make body contact. Like open body contact. Yeah, but don't do that. That's creepy as. But like,
look into my eye. Look into my eye.
Don't do that at all, because that will creep people out. Like, don't not look at them though. Do you know what I mean? Like, don't like if you're talking to me, talk to me. Say something. Say something. Stop staring into me.
No, I do agree. It makes you come across obviously like more polite and more like you're engaged in the conversation.
Like,
don't make it awkward, bruv. Like, cause I've been in them painful situations where someone just won't stop looking in your eyes and you're looking everywhere but in their face because it's awkward. So just be smart,
make eye contact, but don't make too much eye contact.
Yeah, be smart and strategic about the amount of eye contact you make. But then also don't trip about it. Like, don't be like, oh my gosh, am I looking too much in their face? Like, do you know what I mean?
Now be like,
yes.
Too much, too little. Smile.
Cute.
Because if you smile, people want to talk to you.
Yeah, it makes you more approachable. It makes you look happy. Like, can you imagine just having a miserable face all the time? Like, no one wants to talk to you, no one wants to approach you. Like, smile, because then people actually come up to you and say, what's up, what's popping? Do you know what I mean?
They're like, she looks friendly, or he looks friendly. They're smiling all the time.
Like,
but don't like over smile either, because then you look crazy as well. Don't just sit there like
happy all the time. Eager beaver, jeez.
Be nice to people.
If you're gonna be miserable and nasty to people, you're not gonna make friends.
Don't go to camp.
It's like a full stop. And you're gonna be around people that you don't know the moment you get there. So yeah, just be nice, be open to meet new people.
Yeah, be open-minded, definitely. There's like people that you wouldn't necessarily meet in your home life, and just like be open-minded about it. Like Spud and Pete, my two mates, they even say like they wouldn't be friends in real, like if they hadn't met at camp, they wouldn't have crossed paths.
I think it's a thing of like, you can't prejudge people from their appearance or looks. Like, go and like meet everyone, say hi to everyone, like we said, because like you might form relationships with people that you would never form relationships with, and they might be people that down the line are like your best friends. You don't know these things, so it's just about, like she said, be open and be ready to meet new people regardless of their appearance or what they look like. No prejudging.
Yeah. Bribe them with tea and chocolate.
Boy.
Bring tea and chocolate home. And bribe people with it.
And the Cadbury's, because their Hershey's milk chocolate is crap. Yes. Bring them really Cadbury's, it will change their lives and you'll make friends.
Make plans with people, because if you're like find something that you like to do. So like, say I was talking to you and I know you like football. I'd be like, why don't we go watch a football game? Do you know what I mean? So then you make plans to go do something
that you both,
so that you
all enjoy and kind of relate to on a level.
Like you'll build up that relationship, because then there's things to go do together.
Creating consubstantiality.
Google it! That's a big ass word.
I know, I learned it in uni. That's one thing I took from uni school.
What was it?
bad thing. What is the word? Consubstantiality. I can't even say it. Consubstantiality. But it's like becoming one. Like you find things that you have in common, and like you can just be on a level, relate to that, and you can use that to kind of deepen your
relationship. Yeah, so do that.
Consubstantiality.
There you go.
Google it.
Say yes to everything. Push yourself out of your comfort zone. If someone invites you to things, just say yes, give it a go, even if it's not necessarily something that you ever thought about doing or have done.
Not yes to slutty activity though.
No, not maybe. Yeah, not everything. Everything.
Not everything. Like
obviously.
You didn't make that clear. I think it's being willing to just do what you normally wouldn't do, kind of thing. Like that's what she means by say yes to everything. Obviously, within reason. Like do something you would never do. Like go out of your comfort zone. Say yes. Yes, I'll go climb a tree with you, even though I've never climbed a tree and I can't climb a tree. But like just by climbing a tree, you're building a relationship with someone. You're building a friendship, and I don't know, you're trusted in them. Just doing something stupid like that, you like. It's crazy, like how you can build relationships nowadays, and
yeah, true. The easiest way to make friends with someone is to ask them questions, because people know how to talk about themselves, so they know what to say. So like, where are you from? What do you do at home? Have you been to America before?
Yeah, like them simple questions, not like maths questions, because
like
it's not quick maths, it's peak in it. You know what I mean? Can do that. 2 + 2 is 4, - 1 is 3.
Quick maths. You don't know. So yeah, find something to connect with them and relate to. That will happen when you ask them questions anyway. So like, find out if they like the same hobbies as you or live somewhere close to you. That kind of thing. Because the more someone feels like they can connect and relate to you, the more they'll want to be your friend.
And it's a lot easier to build relationships with people that you have similar interests, similar hobbies, similar goals, that type of stuff as well.
So those are our tips for making friends. Hopefully it helps you out this summer and have a wicked time. Oh, go check out Hannah's YouTube, which is
Ballin With Baps. Almost forgot it, how embarrassing. But I'm gonna be a Camp America vlogger this summer, so come check me out and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will be uploading weekly about camp. I'm gonna be in California as well, the best place on earth, like I said. So yeah, it's gonna be good. I'm excited for this summer.
Have a sick summer.
Love you guys.
Bye.